A UN official has said Syria's population is facing an urgent food crisis as the World Food Program unveiled its inability to sustain its food assistance to millions of Syrians. Conversely, the WFP representative and country director in Syria disclosed that the WFP had to implement severe cuts in the face of dwindling funds in 2023. With depleted resources, the WFP declared its incapacity to sustain its general food assistance program in Syria.
Unfortunately, over half the population is considered to be food insecure. We're truly worried about the interests of the people in Syria because WFP has, for more than a decade, been the largest provider of emergency food assistance to the people. But because of the economic situation, because of the difficulty to revitalize economic growth for all the reasons here inside of Syria, we're very discouraged. We do not see rapid solutions coming.
For long-term planning from 2024 onward, Crossley noted that the WFP is redesigning its programs in Syria.
So we have to, also here in Syria, make our programs smaller, more focused, more targeted on the people who need us the very most. What that means, obviously, is that millions, literally millions of people in Syria who we were serving are no longer going to get any assistance at all.
According to WFP assessments, it is expected that by 2024, about 12.9 million individuals in Syria will face food insecurity. An additional 2.6 million people will be vulnerable to hunger. The UN official has stressed the need for the entire international community to stand in solidarity during this pivotal time.
The first message is that this is not the time to abandon the people of Syria. Their needs are real. We're in a situation which is very fragile and unstable even now, so we cannot abandon the people of Syria. But the whole international community has to come together to support the people of Syria now in this truly critical and important moment.